You gotta plug in a camera for a camera to work, by the way, in case anyone is wondering. Oh, stupid me. Hey, everybody. This is my new PNG tuber. I clearly didn't set up before. There we go. Val, thank you for the lurk. I know you're muted. Finn. Finn Snifty Cat, thank you for the sub. Well, here we are again. Someone's subscribing, yet there's no TTS bot to read out the messages. And I put so much effort into these. Can you imagine how cool this would be if a streamer had TTS? I read every message. There's no need for TTS. I try to read every message. Gear Glass. Hello. Hello, hello. And yeah, I don't know how to set up TTS. I don't know how to do that shit. That's even better. There you go. See? See? All is well. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Thank you. Thank you, Finn. How are you doing? How have you been? It's been a bit. Like, I know you were here yesterday, and I've been on your stream for the past 2 days, but it's been a bit, you know? I feel like I just quit Twitch for a couple of days. And I quit everyone in it. Gear, thank you for the lurk. It was a struggle to get Karen to make dinner. That's the biggest news. Finn, you can't just make your partner make dinner. Sometimes you got to make dinner yourself. You're not entitled for someone else to make dinner for you. I can't say get in the kitchen without sounding like I'm in the 50s. I mean, yeah, you can't say that. It's not a thing anymore. You want dinner, you got to cook it yourself. Did everyone see this? Did you all see this? Paste. Click. Pin. Let's pin it for a bit. Let's pin it for like an hour. That's news. That's the news. I kind of said it yesterday, but now there's a tweet to go with it. So what I've been doing is just playtesting, trying to fix all the game-breaking bugs. I keep finding some, and I keep fixing them, and it's all great. It's time to do a new build and check more bugs. That's what I'm going to do today. I'm just going to keep doing builds, playing and testing for bugs. For you to play it, I would need to upload a build. I haven't uploaded a build in a long time. I should do it soon. I think by the end of today, I should have a pretty good build to put up. Yo, Mulak. Mullock. How's it going? It's been a minute. Progress is good. Progress is good. We're 13 days from demo release. 13 days, count them. I'm gonna make that my thing. Stream message. 13 days until demo release. This game development sounds complicated. You mean this specific game's development or all game development? I'm pretty sure I'm doing it wrong. There's got to be a better way. But I'm also pretty sure the only reason why I got into this festival is because I promised a demo. Finn, have you ever even made like a small game and released something? Just like a stupid nothing game? You have. Where is it? I want to see it. I want to see. Show me, show me, show me. You made one in 24 hours last year, but did you release it? Not on itch. Did you like put it on an actual store? I mean, itch is a store, I guess, but not really. Throwing shade at itch. Because there's no like, they don't do anything for you. Nothing on there's nothing on the line. There's nothing riding on an itch release, you know? What is this? What the hell is this? Good dog, best dog. It's made in 24 hours live on Twitch. 20th of May are the two people who currently comprise our startup indie studio. Look at this. Look at this. I didn't know. 839 megabytes. I'm assuming this was made in Unreal. 15 levels. 24 hours. Wow. That's a lot of levels for a 24-hour game. Well, I can't play it, but... Is there any footage of it, like on YouTube? That's cute. Possibly to which one? That there's a video of it? Does it tie into Poacher? This button now works. Look at this. Check this out. Wow. Wow. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy? These resolutions are incorrect. But this works now. 30 FPS, 60 FPS. So we're just gonna playtest, playtest, playtest. I'm gonna hook up to the editor. Wait, full log. Yeah, full. Give me that full log. There we go. I have a game that I've just been using. Dog and cat's dad is sick, so they decided to run the farm, and dog decided to get the sheep in. But he gets all the sheep in. So in one of the pictures you see there's like fruit in the field, planted bananas. And that's because they know they needed to plant something and they thought they could plant a banana when one would grow. That's kind of funny. So I'll keep the music off. Thank you, Stella. All right, so this bug is fixed, right? Yeah. I'm basically just playing the game, seeing what happens. So yeah, you can't make a bookshelf unless you get these items, and you can't make these items unless you get the smelter and the table saw. But I don't tell you that. Whatever. Dale, you're leaving. Where are you going? Okay, the grid line's up now. That was a weird problem. I don't even know how I fixed it, to be honest. Come on, Dougie. Chat. No, 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 no. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Wait, why can't I? Oh, he'll only do the license. He'll only do licensing when he's inside? Hmm. I didn't know that. Wait, what? Will he only do it when he's in his chair? Okay, he's sitting down now. Wait, why won't he? What? What? Huh? Why won't he give me the option to expand the inn? Yo, Sorrow! It's been a while since I caught a stream. The hours never line up anymore. It's 2:30 a.m. here. I have class at 8. Oh my god, Sorrow, go to bed. It's okay. I know this. I know you moved to a place that is not conducive for catching this stream. But I appreciate you saying hi. Why can't I expand the inn? I think I took it out of demo mode. Can you just not expand the inn in demo mode? Eugene. Basic. Start. Expand the inn. Yeah, look at that. I don't let you in demo mode. I think I'm gonna take that out. Yeah, you can expand the inn, whatever. I'll let you do it. Let's kill it. Rebuild. Beegs! Look at that well-organized animator. This is a dialogue tree. But my animator is... No, my animator is not well-organized. It's kind of crap. How you doing, Beegs? Thank you for the shout-out to Beegs. Don't follow Beegs, and this isn't reverse psychology. Yeah. Definitely, if you're not following Beegs, make sure to continue the pattern of not following Beegs, because that would really get under my skin if you followed Beegs right now. Oh boy, would I'd be chafed. I'd be miffed. I'd be kerfuffed. Gosh darn it, that would be so upsetting. You don't want to upset me. I get hungry when I'm angry. I mean, I get angry. I'm hungry. Are you hungry? Does anyone want to go out to eat? Yeah, you would not like me when I'm hungry. I'm in a mood today. Ooh, I'm in a mood. I like it. What am I doing? Oh yeah, rebuild. Beaks, how's all the game jams doing? You're in like 19 game jams right now. I've been catching up on some of the pirate software game jam that you're in. It looks crazy. I gotta be honest though, I've played a couple of the pirate software entries so far. The alchemy is so annoying. Every single game has like combining items into other items, and it's like arduous because that's a complicated mechanic, and it requires like an investment of your time to experiment, an investment of your memory to just remember, and like there's like 9,000 entries that all they're all gonna have like different item combinations and output, and they'll all be like varying degrees of explained, and it's like nauseating. The themes are not great. Yeah, shadows like whatever, but alchemy, oh, alchemy, I hate it. I'm having a game jam break for a bit. That's good. It's just maths. I was so hungry, and Karen was procrastinating playing Once Human. I ate popcorn. I'm still hungry. Yeah, popcorn doesn't fill you up. Popcorn is technically not food. It's paper. Oh, I love popcorn. My favorite thing is getting a bucket of popcorn at a movie theater. I look forward to the popcorn more than the movie. Even if like My wife wants to see a movie I don't want to see. I'm like, hells yeah. I'll go. I'll get some popcorn. These builds take too long. Has anyone set up their new Steam demo page yet? What's involved? What's the situation here? Am I gonna need a bunch of days with new art assets, or does it just reuse the same art assets? Also, Houdini engine for Unreal is broken again, and trying to get side effects to listen is like kicking myself in the nuts. It's a lot of effort for a lot of pain. Are you in the side effects Discord channel? Can you make a lot of noise in there? The think procedural. Think procedural. I'm in a couple of Houdini ones. Maybe we're in the same ones. The last thing they said was the big companies don't have an issue. Oh, dang. That's brutal. Are you in the Houdini and chill? They have an they don't have an issue. They have a team to deal with your crappy licensing server. It's a licensing server issue? That sucks. It's like not even it's not even like a functional issue. It's just some stupid stuff they shove on top. That's annoying. This is actually annoying. When this is in like free floating window mode, like the resolution is not here, obviously. It's a weird one. So it just defaults to the small one and checks it. It should be like nothing. All right, let's do this. 30. And this doesn't save. I don't know why this doesn't save. Load game. What did I just fix? Oh, right, expanding your in. Let's do this again. Bonk. Come on, puppy. Follow me. I'm in the official side effects one. The others are too quiet. You need an actual license to join. I didn't know that. Purple! Purple moss. Purple moss. Purple moss. Did you guys know that Purple Moss's game releases in like 6 days? 6 days till release. That's crazy. You excited? Are you excited? I got 2 rep points. Let's put one into guest room. Let's make a kitchen. Fucking Jarf. Wait, why do I get... Oh, no. Jarf's conversations don't end. That is game breaking. Jarf's conversations don't end. And then remove advertising reach skills. This is what we're going to do. We're just going to play, break the game, quit, fix it. Play, break the game, quit, fix it. So what should have happened is we should have gotten all the way to here. Oh, these don't continue. Wait, yeah. That's weird. Let's just do this. Make link. All right, we'll just end. Very excited. Got some new card art from the artist today. That is very, very good. Wow. Are you like still adding new cards, or you're just swapping art out at this point? Like if you wanted to just make a new card right now and put it in the game, are you still doing stuff like that? You're just swapping art, yeah. So what was the other thing? Dunk. Remove advertising reach skills. Okay, proficiency. It's not a proficiency. It's like a skill. Skill? There it is. Include. Ooh, can I just deactivate them? Does that work? You think that works? No way. Way. I'm not that smart. Can't change any text anymore because of localization. Oh, I see. Last card was added 2 weeks ago. So your feature complete. That's amazing. All right, Jarf, chat. Okay, it doesn't happen anymore. And then Eugene, expand in. Let's take a look. Okay, the reach doesn't show up. Hire help. Required skill, 8 guest rooms. I want to make this like a tree. Or I want to organize it differently, but not right now. Build a kitchen. Unavailable in demo. Oh, look at that. I forgot I had that. Oh, I can just do that for the reach as well. Unavailable in demo. 5 guest rooms. Allows you to sell items on your property. Items placed in a display case can be purchased by guests. Huh. So let me actually put those back, and then I'll add a skill. Demo locked. Yeah, that's what I did. So prerequisite skills. Add. So this one gets demo locked. And then these get demo locked. And then I'll put them all back. So you know they exist, but you just can't have them. So now my to-do list is split into, does it need text change or not? Oh, wow. Are you feeling like stressed, or are you kind of just cruising here? You got it to work. Good for you. Your boy's a genius. My boy's a genius. You're a smart cookie. Speaking of cookies, ooh, I want a cookie. Okay, what else? Uh, Item recipes title in crafting menu is on by default. Don't fix that. Put different kinds of ore in the visitor center case. Okay, I'll do that. I'll do that. Visitor center interior. So instead of these stupid diamonds. Let's put some ore. Resource. Okay, you. Maybe not rock salt. Whatever. Maybe not clay. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Mix of both stress and cruise. Everything in to do is super minor now, but it'd always be nice to have more time to polish. Sounds great. Remove. 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 Why can't I remove this one? Remove. Remove. Okay. Put these in the visitor center. Decorations. These aren't aligned? Oh god, that's horrific. 3.5? 3.25? Oh my god. Yo, the game almost went out with those two things not being perfectly aligned. Are you kidding me? I should not be allowed to make games. This guy's a big boy. He's a big boy ore. Wait, these two are the same? Oh, they're so similar. So in that case, let's move this guy over here. And we'll move this guy over here. Revoke his license, yeah. Take me away, boys. I don't deserve this. I'm unworthy. These are the same. Just different color. Put this one in the middle. Okay, so this is just like a little taste of, you know, you'll find these in the mines. They're in there, I promise. Let's get rid of these gems. Okay. Save. Remove. Build. Build. Bam. That was the whole to-do list. This is still a problem, but there's nothing I could do better right now. Oh, my eyes are so dry. Feeling good? Sort of. Like the game feels like it's in an okay state. It's not like I don't know. I don't know if it's good. And then there's a point where you're like decorate. I don't. My problem with the inn decoration is I feel like you can't customize it enough. Like you can't make the inn look like these popular isometric cute stuff to the gills with tchotchkes interiors that I feel like people want to make. There's a lot of games nowadays I see that like they basically give you an isometric room and you can hand place every little item, you know, exactly where you want it on any surface, in a bookshelf, on a desk. And there's tons of wall decorations and floor decorations and, you know, different kinds of different types of looks. And what do I just have wood floors right now and wood walls. Like, I feel like I don't have enough customization. Um, I need to refactor the way my buildings are built so I can easily create just chuck like 100 textures at the game. But I don't have that in there yet. So I'm a little like, I feel a little uncomfortable about that, you know. But I don't know. I feel like I also have like content. I've got story. There's mechanics stuff happens. So maybe I'll be forgiven. To make, yeah, content pipeline. I need to, so like this wall, it's in the game, and this is geometry, right? I had to model this, and it's like repeatable, even though there's like an issue with the normal map, or an issue with the normals, and that like there's a seam here. But the model itself is repeatable. I don't think that was a good idea. I don't think it was smart for me to model the wall like this. This can easily be a texture. And then if it could be one texture, it can be 100 textures. And then I can, I should have, I gotta refactor it. See, I was trying to be different. Like, oh yeah, I'm going to hand model everything instead of using textures. But there's a reason why they use textures, There's a reason. It's easier. Hello, Dale. So he's leaving, but I can still talk to him about this stuff. If I make him a recommendation. Ooh, this is cropped. Crap. I mean, it's okay because nothing's actually visible here, but whatever. You've got a good cozy vibe, which I think covers a lot of sins, style and vibes, most other things. I mean, I got like there's vibes, but there's like a level of customization I feel like people will want. See, if I send him like to the diner, he just ignores that, right? Yeah, he just ignores it. Okay. One more time. Follow me. Oh, right. The tree. I re-enable the leaf see-through material. I turned it off because I thought it was causing issues, but wasn't that. I guess what I mean is that demo right now is about showing off the potential rather than every feature that will be in the full game. Yes, you're right. You're right. Expand in. So now I see higher help. Yeah. Local reach. Unavailable in the demo. Unavailable in the demo. Unavailable in the demo. Okay, cool. So I can get a guest room and a kitchen. Return to Oriole. I forget what he gives me. Friend of a friend. Thanks for taking care of Dale. Here's some furniture. Cool. That's nice. Send guests to Melissa's diner and discover what's making all that noise. All right, that's why I stopped playing the first time, because I couldn't enter the caves. I broke the caves. I should be playing with sound. Why is nobody visiting? Oh, speak of the devil. Wait. Oh, look at that. I didn't even realize. I made roofs cheap. There's now officially roofing in the game. I do not tell you how to do it. I don't have a tutorial, but whatever. Cheap roofs for the win. Yeah, I made them a little too cheap, huh? I mean, they should at least require... I don't know. What is this stuff? Sheet metal. Need some ore. No more wet beds, yeah. I've been watching a lot of people play, and I've noticed everyone makes the same house. They try and make like a center lobby with rooms around the edges every single time. It's like the default architecture style. Do I need to come in here? No. Oh, I wanted to send them to Melissa's Diner. Whoops. This was a big ask for people. They wanted to see how many have been sent to Melissa's Diner so far. So now I got one of those jammies. I don't know where they are. I can't send them there. Okay. I want to put something on here. It's just kind of blank and empty. It's weird. I want this tree to be photographable. Ooh. Ooh. Where did I go? Oh, what? I went to build roofs out here. Log file. Object reference not sent to instance of an object. Okay, so building a roof outside of the inn is busted. It doesn't it's not game breaking though. I'm just gonna keep going. Hey, Exo Drifter, how's it going? First time chatter, welcome in. Team member. It's going good. Nice, nice. How's the game going? Is your game released? I know you're working on like a something set in space, and it's like an escape room, right? Wait, why is this hold space to take? It doesn't say what it is. Oops. Garbage in the cave doesn't have a name. So this is the radio. I should have a way to pick it up that's not hold F. Hold to pick up radio in cave. The demo's shaping up, hoping to release it soon. There's another game I worked on coming out this year too. Oh, nice. Was it is the other game all by yourself, or you working with like a team? Right now, I have a demo coming out in like 12 days. And I am stress testing right now. What if I go in here? Hold, jump down. Exit, okay. Leave cave. Ooh. Just me and an artist, nice. Iron, wait, why did I get iron from that? And why are they, I should be getting glowstone. Yeah, this thing gives iron. Glowstone gives iron instead of glowstone. Oh god, I haven't been testing the caves much. How's my demo prep going? It's going okay. Wait. Oh no, it's just throwing print statements. There's just like a few game-breaking bugs that I'm trying to find. There's not many, but there's a few. Where'd my bike go? Oh, okay. So if you exit the cave, you exit the outside of the cave, but you kind of just want to come back here. Shouldn't really have a button for the same location you're in. Yeah, let me give you a shout out. I see you around. I see you around all the time on other people's streams also, and I've caught yours a few times. Where's the fishing rod? I already got it. Oops. Yeah, of course. Okay. I'm going to see if it's actually possible to take a picture of this deer. There's a deer here, but I don't think it's possible to actually photograph. So I have this photograph minigame. It's kind of like creature collection. I don't think I'm going to be able to get him. No. Oh, he got stuck. Wait, he got stuck, but he still registered as moving away. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, he's impossible to get. So the only way to get that deer is to upgrade your camera, which doesn't exist yet. That's a later thing. Get some roses. Tell Paul what you found. This is untested. I don't think I've ever successfully completed this quest. There's a lot of people, hard to keep track. Yeah, it's a lot of people. I take a break from Twitch. I took a break from Twitch for like a week and a half just now. And our Steam team has grown like, it's like 100 people in it now. I don't know what anyone is. I found a campsite and a radio. Figures a radio would be the source. Did you take it? Yeah. Well, feel free to keep it. Also try to keep out of the caves. Wait, what? Some weird stuff used to go on in there. I guess, yeah, that's kind of what I want to say. So that's a little hint at like some lore, but not really. I just say weird stuff. I feel like Fal invited a ton of people recently, which is how I got in. Yeah, he's been pushing. He's been hustling. Oh wait, the snake. Nah, damn it. I know I can definitely get a picture of that snake. Yeah, Fal's been a champ. There's the camera. There it is. Oh, wow. Okay, getting a picture of the snake's hard. Can't reach that one. All right, I guess not. No, there's no snake photos to be had. Have you looked into the new Steam demo situation? Like what are the new involvements in releasing a demo with its own fancy page? This guy's the worst. Oh, he's not in a good position. The camera goes to the cliff. If I'm standing here, I guess that's fine. It's not great. I read about it, but I've never released a demo on Steam before, so I don't really know. I don't really have much of an opinion about it. I gotta look into it. I should look into it maybe now. Maybe right now. So I'm on day 4, and I think once I finish this, there's not much for me to do. Let's see if I can make a kitchen. Kitchen. I can make a kitchen. I just unlocked kitchens. I can't put anything in the kitchen. Let's see. Oh, and I unlocked a new bedroom, so I can make a new bedroom. Okay, that's cool. And do I have any more beds? I can make a bed. This is ridiculous. Simple bed. Oh, I can make one. Where's the bed? There it is. I will sleep in the kitchen. Okay, that's fixed. Cool. Mostly it just seems like you have the option of having a separate demo page for your game, and if you do certain things, how the game is shown in the store. Oh, things happen with how the game is shown in the store. I don't know how that matters for marketing and stuff. From what I saw, it can show up like next to released games, which is kind of crazy. That is not a good review. Checked into a clean room. Room was clean daily. Not true. There's footprints everywhere. Ooh, another reputation point. I guess getting the first few levels of reputation points is easy, which is good. And then it gets harder over time. In the blog post, they mentioned specifically that it could show up next to other free games. Yeah. Okay, Clay was in an empty room. Cool. A clean room. Whoa, what is this? Is this an error? Requests failed regular condition. Oh, crap. So wait, I got an error, but it didn't show up here. How do I open the log? Can I force an error? NPC system has item request. Oh, this just happened. You, please, go to Melissa's Diner. There you go. You too. No, no, don't go there. Don't go there. Go to Melissa's Diner. Ah, she's not going to go there. She's going here instead. Wait. Is this thing transparent? This thing's transparent. That's stupid. I saw, are you talking about like Chris Sikowski's blog post? I saw that this morning. I think it's a computer. Someone who comes in here and is making a game. He basically was like, it's just another thing to add stress to your game's release. But it could be in a good way. Oh, the official Steam announcement. Ah, I see. So I sent a guest here. Are they going to be sitting here at the counter? Yes. Look at that. Good for you, Drake. Get that meal in. I've almost reached the end of what you can do in the game. It's day 5. I rushed through it really fast. Also, I knew what I was doing, and you can play for 7 days. Is that too much now? Do I need to reduce it? Maybe. Also, that's a horrible pose. How long have I been working on this game? It's been 4 years now. 4 years to the day. To the day. Wow. I don't like saying that, actually. Wait, where? Drake went to the diner, and it's still 1 out of 3. That's not good. Oh, crap. There's a bug. Meal guest requests failed regular conditions. What? I keep getting all these errors. I don't know what they are. Save identification is empty. That's not good. Meal guest requests failed regular conditions. Friendship plus plus. Why? This should be the third person. It's possible that this variable that makes this number show up is broken. But if there's a number there, then that should be working. Favorite hotspot remark. I forgot. I never put any content in there. Put something in favorite hotspot remark. See, there's like little nooks and crannies of this game that I have like plans for, but I never put content in. And I don't test it often. Like talking to a guest when they're at their favorite hotspot. I wanted the guests to have like custom sayings. Obviously, see, this is why I'm like, oh crap, my demo's not ready yet. Oh, look at that. So it was 1 out of 3, but she just left and it completed the quest. So it did know that there was 2. Just couldn't show it for some reason. Thanks for sending me those customers. I hope they enjoyed themselves. No problem. All right, she's going to teach us how to cook. Recipe for a fried egg. Where do I get eggs? I need the farmer's market. Rosam! Rosam, how's it going? How you doing? So this is a kitchen. Can I cook anything? I don't think so. Do I have any recipes? No. Wait, really? Oh, these buttons don't work? Oh, wow. Weird. Okay. Cooking. Oh. And it does not like that. Cooking tab buttons don't work. How's it going, Soul Retriever? Doing okay? Got cookies? I don't have any cookies right now. Don't have any cookies. Are you enjoying the heat? Oh my god. It's been brutal out there. Savage. Oh, they've all got gifts for me. Drip coffee. Fried catfish. Green tea. They brought me back some gifts. Come back here, Drake. They run too fast. I need to slow down the NPCs. Oh my god, no, come back. No, chill. Need anything? I would love a drip coffee. I have one. What up? He really liked that. I just gotta work. Had to wait for plumbers because the deli drain was backed up with grease. No, that's gross. I need to I need to sweep that up. Let's go get a recipe for a room. And I can't make a fried egg because I can't buy an egg. Because I can't buy an egg because the farmer's market isn't open yet. Oh no, shop's closed. Man, there's really not much more to do. Even knowing the game front to back, like, there's not much more to do. Let's go to sleep. Oh wait, you know what? Oh wait, I can't buy anything because all the stores are closed. I just want one good run through. And I have to figure out why I'm getting these weird errors in the log. Snapshot activity type. Guest snapshot is null. That's another. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Are they showing up here? Console. They're not even showing up here. What is happening? Is this connected? It wasn't connected. That sucks. Now it's connected. All those errors. All those errors. Guest snapshot is null. That's a game breaking bug. Through view generator. Still work though. It's very strange. 3 stream streak. Thank you for streaking. When do you open? I forget. I think 7. Wait, what did he say? Where did I put that last shipment of wood screws? $7 o'clock. Go open your store. He didn't open. When does he open? It just stands out there. Oh, but at least I can get some eggs. 1 egg, 2 egg. Do I need anything? No, this is just a bunch of garbage. Bunch of garbage items that don't do anything yet. Displaying emotion. Oh, no, that is just a print. Wait, it said there were people here. Where are they? All right, I need a better like priority system. Like when you go to a bed and the rug is selected, it really should always be the bed. It should always be the bed. What's your day job, if you don't mind me asking? No, I don't mind. I do visual effects for commercials. Commercials and broadcasts, whatever. You know, 3D artist, 3D anim, generalist. Okay, now I can go to the store and buy decorations. Clean up that room. Guest always arrives after I leave. It's fishy. I don't believe it. Shop. I want the broom. I want a hot tub. I want chocolate, coffee beans, and oil. I don't want any of that. Wait, what was the description for that? I can drink oil straight from the can. That's stupid. I gotta remove that. I'm coming, I'm coming. Just need some furniture. Does he have anything that the guests can use? Just oh, fire pit. Perfect. Wow, that actually worked. The clean room notification hasn't been showing up. Weird. Okay, all the rooms are clean. Oh, I can cook an egg now. Cook. Egg. Oh, wait, I don't have any room for it. Shoot. I need to make room. Let's just put this out. Ah, no. Not what I wanted. Nope. Not what I wanted. Put the hot tub out. Put the fire pit out. Light the fire pit. There we go. Now I can cook the egg. I forget what she does when I finish this quest. Ooh. Chewing noises. Keep making food like this and you can't go wrong. That was it. I need a log that I can go to that tells me everything I just received. Like I just received a couple of items and I don't remember what I got. I mean, I guess I see an item. I got a kitchen counter. Okay. What else did I get? Uli V, how's it going? Welcome in. You couldn't carry this. Oh, a fridge. Okay. Let's sell this. Sell. Sell, sell, sell. So now I've got a kitchen. Can I put the hot plate on the kitchen counter? Should be able to. There we go. Oh, it didn't work. Didn't work. Hot plate snapped or failed to snap to the kitchen counter. I don't know why. And the refrigerator is so big that it busts through the walls. Max support for games is hard. It's not hard if you're making your game on a Mac. Oh wow, look at that. And this just goes right through right through the kitchen counter. Oh, it's horrible. Maybe it should just open a little bit so you don't see inside of it. That's annoying. Yeah, to do Mac support, I mean, I'm on a Mac, so it's easy. So that's it. I just completed the demo. Day 6, year 1. There's not much more to it. I can build more rooms and accept more guests, but there's no... I finished every quest, right? Completed. This is every quest in the game. There's nothing left. Huh. I haven't done this in a long time. Oh, weird. So even when you're holding this thing, it's in the layer that does the shine. It's not game breaking, but let's see. Herb is always in shiny render layer. Hmm. I don't know why. Oh, this might be his favorite activity. This room has nothing in it. Also, I don't have windows. I didn't put windows in the game. I should do that. Should put windows in the game. Did I really not put windows in the game? Store's probably closed. Can't go there yet. Oh, also, I haven't received the letter from Jules with the dog bed. Why didn't I get that yet? Maybe it'll happen tomorrow. Space. Sleep. Barely have any money. You can't get everything. Although everything only costs like 10. Everyone's leaving tomorrow. Okay. Oh no, the review is so big that it pushed all of this stuff off. Some reviews are too long and push the text off screen. I heard the fishing at the lake was the best in the region. I don't have fishing yet. I sold rock salt ×1. I got 8. Aluminum got 2. 4, 4. Okay. Whoops. All right, that's weird. So if you level up twice, it shows both messages, but it doesn't put a space in between them. Leveling up twice doesn't put a space between multiple level up messages. Oh, here we go. I still have the urge to travel, but I don't know where to go next. I'd love to hear about destinations you think I should go. Maybe some of your guests are interested or are from interesting places I need to see. Wow, first of all, staying at your inn really opened my eyes to how gross the city is. The area is so beautiful that I think I'm going to move there. Oh, interesting. When does she move there? Does she move there now? I forgot that even happened. One of the NPCs, when they stay, they decide to move in, but I don't remember when. Is she here already? No. Maybe the next day. She's not there. Well, this is the last demo day, right? Day 7. Let's take let's take the dog on a hike. That'll be our last day in Alpine Lake. Oh, guest has arrived. I gotta run back. Yeah, so hiring guests or hiring help not available in the demo. That'll come later. Can you pet the dog? Of course you can pet the dog. Yo, Atrim. Can't have a dog in a game and not pet it. That's like not a lot. You'll get review bombed. Ah, I always miss that snake. Let's go fishing. This texture is like really big. I think it's too big. Is that the only thing I can catch here? No, there's something else. Three perch. Wait a minute. Is this broken? There's other fish you can catch. It's really unlikely to get three of the same one in a row. Okay, this is a different fish. I put a dog in my game just to be able to pet it. I saw your post. All right, I'm gonna see if I can capture that. See if I can capture the deer. I don't think it's possible. I need to get my camera ready. Okay, camera's ready. Let's get on the bike. I think I need to. I'm gonna practice this. I'm gonna hop up, activate it, and then click. So hop off, activate, and click. I can do it. All right, I got this. No, not you, dog. We're gonna hop off, activate, and click. Ready? Just need to be able to see it. There's the deer. Okay, ready? Go. Hop off, activate it, and click. No, that was not good. Not you. You head home. Why is it red in the fishing section where you want to get the thingy? Shouldn't it be a positive color to reinforce the correct behavior? Yeah, probably. I'd love to be left alone. Friendship plus plus. There we go. That's life right there. So you were talking about this middle area, right? Like this area. I mean, I guess I can make the health bar red and then make that green. It would technically make more sense. Wait, am I out of stamina? Yeah, too tired. Let's eat a croissant. That should be pretty easy to do. All right, let's see if I can capture this snake. I don't know if you can. I think you can. Same thing. I gotta run up, activate, and click. Run up, activate, click. No. Bamboo's beanstalk. How's it going? Wouldn't having the bike follow the cursor make for a better experience? The direction keys make it look a bit jagged. Yeah, you could do that if you middle click drag. You can also use a controller. You can also middle click and it'll just go there automatically. Nice, yeah. I got you. I got you. This game does play much better on the controller. Like playing on the keyboard's a little janky, which I should be testing the keyboard because, or I should be testing the controller right now. I feel like I've just done a pretty good playthrough of keyboard play, and I should test controller play now. Okay, did we get any more errors? No, I didn't get any more errors since a while ago. Are these in-game days too slow? It's been forever. It's only 5 p.m. I might make the days a little faster. Jarf. If anything, just to like make the demo feel more filled. Because right now, I mean, I know what to do. It's day 7. I've done everything. There's not much more I can do. There's no more quests. There's no reason to make money because you can kind of afford everything. Can't find inventory game object name main inventory. Wait, I don't understand. I'm getting errors in the log, but they're not showing up in Unity. Like, what's happening? Full log, developer mode only. Yeah. Cannot find inventory game object name main inventory. Okay. The third-party plugin. It's annoying. As a player, I would want to feel like I get enough done in one day. If it's too fast, it can feel like progress is too slow. It's true. I mean, I think an in-game day. Okay, what is it? What is an in-game day? It's 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. It's 3 seconds equals 5 minutes. So 3 seconds equals 5 minutes. And how many minutes? I've got, it's 6 to midnight, right? 6 a.m. to midnight, which is 18 hours. So 18 hours times how many 5-minute increments are there? Well, 3 seconds, 12, right? Times 12 times 3. 648 seconds. That's 10 minutes a day. 10 minutes a day, right? Maybe I feel like it's long because I just know what to do. And I know when there's nothing else you can do in a day. So I'll be finished by, some early hour. But I feel like any player that plays for like, a week of in-game days, they'll kind of find the same cadence. They'll figure out the cadence. I might want to shorten it by just like 1 minute, 1 or 2 minutes. Like maybe it's an 8-minute day. Maybe it's like a 9-minute day. Are there any actions that pause time like fishing or menus in Stardew? Yeah, menus, talking to people. There's lots of things that pause time. That's why it stretches out. So it's 10 minutes of like gameplay. And then if you're having conversations or in menus, it's also pausing it more. I had the same problem with one of my games, but thankfully it was only meant to be played once. Wait, so now this is day 8. Okay, boom. This should be the end, right? I should get a a menu right now that's like, thanks for playing. Murphy's here for one more day. Ronnie arrived today and is checking out tomorrow. Okay, cool. I hope you had a good stay, Ronnie. You win this message. Hey, more temporary text that I forgot to take out. Yeah, all these little nooks and crannies of the game. So, fishing level up reward is temp. All right, this is it. What? I get to play day 8? Why do I get to play day 8? Also, why is your room so dirty? Murphy. Murphy, we got to talk about your shoes. Nobody else's room gets dirty. I realize that footprints can't spawn where there's decorations. So if you just slap a rug down in the room, it's really hard to make a room dirty. Because the door is here, so there won't be any, there will never be footprints here. This corner of the room, unless the guest steps on it, there won't ever be footprints. Footprints only show up where you actually walk. So if you make sure there's always rugs leading to every decoration in the room, they'll just never trigger any footprints. Okay, so I think this is the last day. What can I do? Alchemy, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. How are you doing? I have my day-night system set up in time passed per second instead of defining how long a day should be. That's the way this is set up. Is I choose how many minutes pass per tick, and I choose how many seconds each tick takes. So I actually don't know how long a day is. I have to calculate it. I like following guests to their hotspots just to see what they do. They always sit at the same seat. What does he say? Hi. How are you? I can't get this porcelain out of my fingernails. Good morning. Can I make a recommendation? You're already here. What happens if I recommend this place when they're already here? I'll check that out soon. That's stupid. What happens if I say, do you need anything? I would appreciate a Caesar salad. They are at another restaurant. And they're asking me for a Caesar salad. And I can give them one if I had one. But I don't have one. Wait, it's not bad. I've seen other games do full day, night be 24 minutes. So 1 hour is 1 minute. Yeah, that's too long. That's too long for this. I think Stardew Valley is like that a little bit. It's like 20 minutes a day, 15 to 20 minutes per day. And then you can obviously you can go to sleep whenever you want. All right, I'm gonna call it on this playthrough. And I'm gonna go to bed and just let the day end. And that's it. That should be the demo. That's a demo. I like going to sleep and just letting and just watching the inn happen and in like fast forward mode around me. It's kind of fun. Well, the thank you for playing message popped up before the day ended, which is okay. I'm okay with this. Stardew is 13.5 minutes per day according to Google. Well then, so I'm 10.8. I would imagine when my world gets bigger and there's more stuff to do, I'll want more time in the day. Because like when you're in Stardew, a lot of it is like going to the caves and mining and trying to like get far. So you want more time. And I'm pretty sure that time actually slows down when you're in the caves by like a tenth of a second or something. Oh man, here it is again. This gets cut off if there's too much. I mean, this is also gigantic. This is huge. It does not need to be that big. Even if this was on like a Steam Deck, it's probably big. That's too big. Definitely having a wide selection of stuff will make time fly. Yeah, I would imagine that if like I'm only making the day faster for the demo, it wouldn't be for the final game. Favorite activity complete. Favorite activity complete. Favorite activity complete. Oh, they did it 3 times. They were here for 3 days and they did it 3 times. I can probably I can consolidate that. It doesn't need to happen 3 times. Oh man, I got a lot of reputation points. Okay, so getting reputation points is not so bad. Thanks for the good times. I hope you enjoyed your time playing Alpine Lake. Your feedback is invaluable as Alpine Lake continues to grow. Please consider sharing your experience and providing feedback in the Alpine Lake Discord server. If you enjoyed your time, also please give Alpine Lake a wishlist on Steam. If the feedback is urgent, please text me at redacted or email alpinelakegame@gmail.com. Mossy Grove Games. That's it. That's the demo. We did it. We finished it. And I fixed all the game breaking bugs. If I go back to the main menu, what happens? Load game. It took an hour and 30 minutes. I mean, so there was 7 days times 10 minutes a day, plus time spent in pause menus. Makes sense, right? How long have I been working this? It's been 4 years now. It's been too long. There's some graphical issues on these buttons. There's like these little like teeth notches. What's up with that? Okay. I don't know. It was 8 days. Right. So day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Why do I have 8 days? It should only be 7. I don't even want you to play that 8th day. Because, yeah, it's like Monday to Monday. I'm going to reduce it. Quit. Reduce demo to 7 days. Let's reduce it. But we really like Mondays. It's the best day of the week. You know, I've always had a job that I really liked. And I like Mondays. I kind of like Mondays. My dad counts weeks in 8s. Wait, what? Why? Mondays rule. Yeah. Hashtag Mondays. Tutorials. No. Quest listeners? Quest listeners. Thank you for playing Quest listener. No. Wait, what? Thank you for playing Quest listener? What is this? What is this? Proper business etiquette. Condition. Lua conditions. If demo equals true. Wait, why doesn't this happen? I forgot about this. This was supposed to happen. If demo mode equals true. Do I even have a variable named demo mode? Oh, is that the bug that showed up? Variables. I do have a demo mode. What? I usually rate my work based on if I enjoy waking up on a Monday or not. Yeah, pretty much. Let's put some music back on. Okay, so there's another problem. So here's the player log that caught a lot of errors that, oh, sorry for the, I forgot, this is probably flashbanging you all. I'll make it small. Um, it it caught a lot of bugs that did not show up in the editor. So please, yeah, no errors were here. Setting up 5 worker threads for Enlighten? Why? Isn't Enlighten like the baker? Save identification on empty. Yes. This is normal. This is normal. Okay. Bad destination. All right. It resolved itself without throwing an error. It's fine. Save identification is empty on these characters. It's fine. Normal. Okay. Did the stream get all grainy when all the text came up for anyone else? It's possible that it was a bad like encoder. Just couldn't resolve this stuff. Parent of rect transform is being set with parent property. Consider using set parent instead. See, it's these errors that I don't understand why they didn't show up. Oh, wait, this is the beginning. Is this the end? Don't destroy unload only works for root game objects or components on root game objects. Yeah. What was I doing it to? Oh, in control. That's not good. Parent of... yeah, there's a few stack trace errors in here. No instance manager found within the scene. Thank you for the follow, Bamboo. Yo, Mard. How's it going? How have you been? You know what you got to do. You know the rules. You know the rules. When you yeah, I need my fix. I need my puzzle fix. I'm getting a lot of these no instance manager found within this scene, which is not true. There's an instance manager in every scene. That this message never happens when I'm playing in the editor. Also, are there timestamps on these things? No, I don't even know when they happened. Whatever. Let's just ignore it. The game didn't break, right? You can play from the ones Grumble played earlier. I started this stream right when Grumble started playing, so I don't know where did he start. So by the way, we're gonna play Mr. Mard's game for a sec. Is it this guy? Thank you for letting me play. This guy? What? You put them in Japanese now? Oh, I didn't realize they actually always are in Japanese. I didn't even realize that these are kanji. That's funny. What? Grumble! Booloop, booloop, booloop. Grumble the pugs raiding me. Grumble, how was the rest of your stream? We're playing Mard's game. We'll watch Megabat first. Um, and to those who don't know who I am, my name's Andrew. I'm working on a cozy game called Alpine Lake. Exhausted. I'm exhausted. I mean, yeah, playing Crypt of the Necrodancer will exhaust anyone. Yeah, I swear, I really got like dizzy watching like the first 2 seconds of that game. Like, oh, so bouncy. Did you get to do any dev, or did you just play games the whole time? Also, Spot Monk, welcome in. Pixis, welcome in. Everyone, wishlist Megabat, play the demo. So, with the new demo system, can you re-release your demo like with its own page, or is it not possible? Stream was 95% having no rhythm, 5% waiting for. I basically played games the whole time and tricked Pixis into doing my work for me. That's fantastic. Wait, is that the only level? That took me 1 second. No, I need more. I need more level. I need more levels. There's more levels when you click on it. Yes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. It can't be these. No, no. Has to be this one. Has to be that one. Oops. Wait, what? Beeka beeka bing. Go, 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 go. Noob. Wait, why am I a noob? Oh, because I didn't know how to choose levels. You can re-release it, but it will only trigger emails to wishlisters and be eligible for new and trending if you haven't released it yet. That's messed up. All right, these yons are cheating. You just immediately know what to do. Beeka beeka bing. Oh man, I love this game. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4. So fun. Spot Monk, have a good night. Whoa, whoa, these are getting crazy. Okay, okay. Is this the one that I watched you do that took like 30 minutes? Uh, no, I don't see any immediate like tells. Hmm. This one's crazy. Each block is like every option available. Okay, so this thing, right? If it can't be both of these, but it can be one of them. If this is here, that means this is here. This can be like that. Why not? Oh, look at that. Oh, this one's funky. Okay, this is actually way funkier than I thought. Ads. Grumble, thank you for that raid. You made me want to play Crypt of the Necromancer. Crypt of the Necro Dancer? I don't know, whatever. You made me want to play it, but not for a long time. I want to play it for 5 minutes. Like, I'll just play some Flash knockoff of it. I'll be satisfied. Yo, this might be too hard for me. Where's the back button? All right, let's just try something like this. I'm just going to click. I'm going to do a lot of clicking. Oh, so this has to be here. I'm just going to do a lot of clicking. I'm just making it up as we go. Just making it up. No. Ooh, this one's tough. I guess. Oh, okay. It can be like that. This one. This one. This one. This one. Oh, no. Hmm. Okay. Improvements. Nope, not improvements. This is not an improvement. Marred. I'm going to fail. This one and these two. They're the only ones. Okay. This one doesn't need to be there, right? Yes, it does. Because you can't put one here. It has to be here. Yeah. So since you physically can't put one here, it has to be here, 100%. That means it has to be these two. 100% has to be. But that means this one has to be there. That means this one can't be there. All right, I'm figuring it out. I'm figuring it out. Bear with me. Which led us to be, this one had to be here because you couldn't put it here. And it's the only way to fill this one. Which means this one has to be here. Which means this one can be there. Nope. Brotato, hello. What are you doing today? Welcome in. I'm playing Mr. Mard's game. We're taking a 10-minute break from playtesting and game dev to struggle with this puzzle game. I mean, I just forgot like where I was, so now I don't remember what I had to do. Wait, is that it? No. Okay. So they're all satisfied except this spot. And now they're all satisfied except this spot. If I do this and that, they're all satisfied except this spot. Oh, wait, and I forgot about this one up here. Oh, I can do that. Okay. Some of the random ones I probably shouldn't have done. I want to learn game dev and programming, but I'm having trouble learning code language. Any tips? What have you tried? And what does it mean by you're having trouble? Is it that you can't, is it that you're having a hard time finding material? Or that when you do find learning material, it just doesn't stick? No, this one has to be here. I already did this. This one has to be here. Which means this one has to be here. Mard, I give up. I give up. You got me. You got me. Where were we? This was all the stuff that we found in the last playthrough. Renable the leaf see-through material. Okay. Leaf. Shader. Where's the leaf shader? No, don't click that button. That's not a good button. What is happening over here? There's like the sun is like directly in my eyes. You bested another streamer. Yeah, you got me. The way you're thinking through it, I could see you would definitely get that one with more time. Yeah, some of these puzzles, you know, I feel like can take 30 minutes. And you have to very carefully cross out where you know you can't go and only put it there if you're 100%, you know, kind of like Sudoku. You'd have to be 100% so that you know the board is in a place that is perfect. I tried figuring out Godot, and I've had issues finding stuff to learn and also having issues retaining the knowledge. I don't know anything about Godot. What I always do is I recommend Brackeys. Brackeys just came out with a tutorial. You know, always try and keep your scope really tiny. Don't make an MMO. Don't make an RPG. You know, got to think real tiny, real tiny. Start with, I want to move a character around, and then build on top of that, build on top of that. So yeah, EXO, if you know of good resources, drop them links, drop the knowledge. As far as retaining knowledge, you just got to practice. Hey, Patrick, how's it going? Also, com.b. How are you doing? Try applying the knowledge immediately. School teaches you to rote memorize, but that isn't useful. Yeah, you have to use the knowledge that the tutorials teach you. You gotta use it outside the tutorial. You have to put it into practice. And you got to figure out how to remember it without looking at the tutorials. That's really hard. It's really, really hard. It's possible that jumping into a game engine also shouldn't be the first thing you do, you know? It's possible you should actually take a step back and do just like programming concepts, like hello world stuff. You know, I did like 5 years of coding before I even touched a game engine. And sometimes you got to do that. Make Pong? Yeah, make Pong. Even Pong might be complicated. You know, it's got physics. Pong is my favorite thing to learn. Start with small things like Pong, Brick Out, Minesweeper, Snake. They're good semi-complex games that you can finish in 1 to 7 days. Yes, I agree. All that stuff. Make something really tiny. Oh, add me to the alpha, Patrick. Patrick, you're in. Let me get you a key. So the demo, 13 days until demo release. But if you want to play now, you can play now. Where are all my keys? Actually, I'm going to take out that redeem. You'll be the last person to ever redeem it. Because I don't need it anymore. I'll probably just keep updating the demo until one day I charge for it. I'm going to use the demo as my early access. So Patrick, make sure to join the Discord. Actually, you know what? I'm going to go Tempers. There we go. Hop in the Discord if you're not already there, and then I can send you the key. There you go. Enjoy. I'm thinking I want to make a platformer because that seems like a fun thing to try. Yeah, platformers, they're fun. They're not too complicated if you do a simple character controller. Yeah, you could do that. I think you could do that. But like, what kind of platform? Like Mario, where you're just jumping around and hopping on things, or do you want to do like Celeste or Momori or Megabat? Do some Scratch. Scratch is where I tell everyone to start. It's good to get used to the concepts of loops, if statements, and data. Yeah. So if you don't really understand like the fundamentals of programming, it's gonna be really hard. That's why I think sometimes jumping into a game engine is too complicated. You gotta know like what a variable is and you know what an array is and what functions are. Maybe how to make a class, you know, stuff like that. If you're having trouble with GDScript, it might be good to learn some basic program. Yeah. Learn Python. Do some Python, intro to Python. Probably will get you up, get you going, sort of, with GDScript. They have similar syntax. I think I would have spent 30 minutes solving that level when I was first learning. Now I think I could do it in less than 3. Damn. You're making me want to try again, Mr. Mard. Careful. Don't tempt me. You already do code in HTML. HTML is not really coding though. It's like it is what it says. It's a markup language. It's not coding. It's very different, I feel like. You know, HTML is like 95% front end stuff, where coding is just, but it's a little bit everything, you know? It's front end, back end, whatever. A lot of data. HTML is more of a markup language, yeah. So it doesn't share much in common with GDScript. You can try learning a bit of Python. We said the same things. That's validating. I feel validated. My stepdad knows Python, so maybe he can help teach me some basic programming skills. There you go. Perfect. You got a teacher right there. There are more resources available for Python and JS than GDScript, so it should be pretty easy to find learning materials. Yeah. Plus, you wouldn't have to learn how game engines work at the same time. I was thinking I kind of want to make a Mario-like game just to learn the game engine. Yeah, there we go. We did it. We just developed a plan for you. You're gonna ask your stepdad teach you a little bit of Python, how to use variables, how to do if statements, how to do loops. You know what you can also do? You can go to w3schools.com. This is where I learn any language that I want, the extreme basics. I go to W3 Schools, you do the tutorials there, teaches you the absolute lowest common denominator basics. And from there, you might be able to branch out. And because GDScript is so similar to Python, I would just go try and do Python there. And W3 Schools is a really old website. I'm getting kind of old. There's probably newer ones out there that are better, but I know W3 Schools. It's so old school, yeah. It's me, I don't know. I haven't, last time I used it was like 15 years ago. What does it even have nowadays? Oh, it actually looks way updated. Oh my god, this is so updated. Yo, what's that website that shows you what websites used to be? Website time. What's that? Time Machine? The Wayback Machine? Internet Archives? Brotato, thank you for the follow. Archive.org. Wait. Okay, w3schools.com. Yeah, we're going to go. So when I used this, it was 2000 and I graduated college in 2008. So I was using this in 2006. Here's a snapshot. Yep. This is what it looked like. This is what it looked like. What did I learn? What did I learn here? I definitely use it for HTML. I must have used it later in life. I must have used it later. But that's amazing. 2006 websites was awful, yeah. Yeah, it looks pretty slick now. There you go. Click this, Python. Val! How's it going? Welcome back. Good morning. What are you working on today? Today, I am playtesting my demo, and I'm trying to make it airtight. No bugs. No bugs. So I played it for like an hour before. And now I'm going to start hitting this list of things that were confusing and broken. I never saw the site like that. Yeah, that was before my time. We were talking about you like an hour ago. Yeah, you're a champ. Yeah, we're talking about the team. Talking about that team. What's my game about? It's an Innkeeper-Sim. It's like Stardew Valley, but you run an inn. I can play the trailer. I didn't play the trailer when Grumble came in. I'll play the trailer. This is what I'm working on. I'll play it just for you, bro, Tito. So there's building mechanics. You have a property. You know, you got tools. There's NPCs. They talk to you. Sometimes they're snarky. There's decorating. I love game devs. Game devs love you, Val. Some of the coolest people you've ever met. The funny thing about game dev is like Usually game devs have like weird other interests that inform their creativity, like, you know, inspire their creativity for the game they're making. So you kind of do, you do get like such random people. I have so many influences. Yeah, it's the best. It's the best. So when you can figure out how to like take your life lessons and infuse your game with some weird ass interests of yours, that's the best. Alchemy. What other interests? What other interest for you? Um, I mean, what informs this style of game for me is definitely my love of travel, and I have a lot of like tiny little hobbies like flower ranging. I'm a big time flower ranger. I do ikebana, which is like the art of Japanese minimalist flower ranging. So I have flower ranging in the game. Um, I like doing pottery. I don't actually have a pottery mechanic in the game yet. I do want one eventually. Um, I am into pottery. I do like, so like here's like a bud vase that I made, which is an ice cream cone. It leaks. It doesn't work. Like for some reason the water leaks out of the bottom. So I can't use it as a bud vase, but I do like doing that kind of stuff. Ikebana, no way. It's next level, yeah. One day I'm gonna make a successor to Legend of Dragoon, and then the rest. Oh, don't get me started. I want to play. I want to play that. I love Legend of Dragoon. Love it. Wait, that's really cool. Though I think 8-bit would make it cooler. Yeah, I wanted it. My original art style was gonna be 3D with 8-bit like pixelated textures. Uh, but it's too much work. Honestly, to do that is so much work. It is way easier to do what I'm doing, which is just gradients, just colors and gradients, no textures. But yeah, I'm pretty into Ikebana. If I go to my Instagram, you can see dog, dog, dog. So yeah, like this kind of stuff. This is a weird interest of mine. Everyone thinks I'm a freak. My family thinks I'm a freak. My friends think I'm a freak. But it's so much fun. Like I love doing this. Some of them come out good, some of them come out lame, whatever. I had the perfect like photo setup too because I my kitchen when I lived in LA, my kitchen table was like this white shiny surface. It was perfect. Now I don't have this anymore. Also, my wife's really into nail art. She does nail art. Yeah, my whole Instagram is just flowers and dog. And now Japan. Now it's all Japan stuff. I vastly prefer this art style to big square pixels. I mean, it's pretty. Let me show you my when I was first starting out, I had a reference. Let me find the reference. It was gorgeous. Uh it's in my Google Drive. Google Drive. B codename B&B story. I think it was in my was it this? Story features? No, I had like a oh yeah, here it is. So this was when I saw this, I'm like, this is what I want my game to look like. Where is it? This artist in particular, but one of their scenes was gorgeous. Where is it? I think they oh, it was this one, yeah. I saw this and I'm like, oh yeah, this is the game I want to make. I want my game to look exactly like this. like 3D, but with pixel art textures. It's gorgeous. But this is a lot of work. Don't look at this and think, "Oh, it's just some pixels." This is so much work. This is hard. You have to be a good pixel artist, which I'm not. I've never done pixel art, and a good 3D artist, which I'll pat myself in the back. I'm a good 3D artist, but I'm not a good pixel artist. This would have been really hard. Real 8-bit, yeah, modern games are faking it. Yeah, if you want real 8, people who are making good good 8-bit games, it's hard. There's a lot of people on Twitch doing it right now. Grumble, obviously. Got Adam C. Eunice doing it. Whitechapel. Whitechapel's like sick. That guy's a beast. Practical NPC. A lot of really good pixel art games happening on Twitch right now. There's tons that I'm missing. I had to come back from the kitchen to see what image you were going to show. Oh, yeah. Yeah. It's gorgeous. So that's how I started. But then, I ended up where I'm at. Friends versus Friends looks like this. I've never heard of that one. Oh, Crocodile. Yeah, I looked into that. When I was trying to see what if any tools do it, but it's hand painting, I don't got time for that. I don't got time for hand painting. What do you think about Pirate Software? He's a beast. He's a megastar. I don't know. I've watched his stuff. He's chocked full of expert level knowledge, and he'll drop knowledge on you that nobody else really knows because he's got the experience, which is cool. But as a stream to watch, it's really hard. When you see chat flying by, that gets me dizzy. I can't do it. Plus, I usually like to interact with streamers, so there's no interacting with Pirate Software unless you pay up. And even that's what is it? If you want your text to speech to show up, you go in a queue of 100, and then maybe in 5 streams it'll show up. So, I mean, I think he's doing incredible things for the Twitch community. The fact that there's thousands of people who are interested in game dev and watching game dev streamers is amazing because of him. He's paving the way for people like me, little guys, just chilling here making games. That's cool. Whitechapel's so good. Yeah, incredible. I want to do something like this aesthetic, but not with pixel art. So just the low poly look. Isn't your game kind of the low poly look? 500 bits and you can join the queue. Yeah, so you can spend $5 and then you have to watch, basically. You're just stuck there waiting for your message to come up. So, I don't know. That's a lot. And then by that time, he doesn't interact with the text to speech because he knows that was hours and hours and hours ago. So it just comes and goes. I wouldn't say my current game's low poly, but certainly it's minimalist. Yeah, I do remember. There's no textures in it, right? It's just all color. Can you drop a link, XO, to your Steam page? There it is. Wait, do you have a Steam page? I thought you had a Steam page. Yeah, there it is. Let's get that Steam page going. Everybody, wishlist it. I don't have a wishlisted. Sorry. Wishlist and follow. Wishlist and follow. San Japan, what's that? Wait, do you live in Japan? Oh, wait. in San Antonio, Texas. I was about to say, might be neighbors. There are textures now. We just haven't done decal. Oh, okay. Wait, are they in here? This looks nice. I like this look. I like this look. Let's watch the trailer. Wait, there is no trailer. No trailer. EXO. Why do I feel like I've seen a trailer before? I guess I've just watched you play. Did I watch Wallaber play? I watched someone play it. Literally all the pictures and trailers next week. Nice. It's not a great stream if you want that direct interaction. Yeah. I've caught myself throwing on Pirate Software and just, just liking the content to leave it on and not even care about interacting. Like if I'm doing something, he's good to have on because he says interesting things. He's an interesting person, but when you're in the mood to like chat, like you couldn't do this. You couldn't do this. You want something like Battle Bit Remastered? I'm not sure. I've never heard of that one either. There's a cutscene I like to show. Yeah, people don't go there for this. All right. I hope everyone clicked on that link and wishlisted. Also, if everyone could do me a flavor, if you got Twitter, I need this tweet to do things. I would like this tweet to go places. It's probably too late. It's unless it picks up immediately, it doesn't go anywhere. But that's some news I got. All right, I'm gonna save this. I'm gonna save this info, XO. You wanted to do low poly, but you ended up not doing it. Honestly, the low poly look, it's a little overdone lately. It's a little overdone. And all like the asset packs are low poly, so a lot of people just spinning up asset pack games, which there's nothing wrong with. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just that they all look the same and you can recognize them. What do you mean low poly is done? I don't know. It's not done. It's not done. It's overdone. It's just overdone. It's definitely not done. It's just hard to make it look unique nowadays, you know? But, I'm here to be proven wrong. And I'm proven wrong all the time. Like, I thought that, like, it kind of feels like it's hard to have unique looking pixel art. But I see pixel art nowadays that is unique. And pixel art's been going on for a long time now. I mean, not in like the grand scheme of things, like oil painting has been going on for a long time and new styles are coming out all the time. But, pixel art, you're limited. You got a very limited palette, very limited space. So I'm surprised when I see like new, interesting pixel art. But it happens. It happens. And the low poly stuff, it's mostly just because honestly it's because everything's Cinti. Like you see the same Cinti asset packs in everyone's games, so it's like it's got a cool look if you're seeing it for the first time. But when you've seen it like 1,000 times, a little overdone. Hot take. I'm cultivating this very specific art style that I need to come up with a name for. I feel like I can name the art style that I'm cultivating. I can develop it further and understand the essence of it better. My game is exclusively Cinti. Listen, There's nothing wrong with that. It's totally fine to do that. But you have to know that you and 1,000 other people are also using the same asset pack. You have to know that. It's just a reality. It's not something that this should be a surprise. And it's totally okay to do that. Totally okay. But when someone like me sees it 1,000 times, I might scroll through a little faster than if it was an asset pack that I don't recognize. I have Cinti assets in my game. There you go. There you go. Am I a hypocrite? I don't think so, because I think it's okay to use them as long as I'm trying to hide it, though. You know, I don't use their like characters. I use their dressing, their set dressing, and I don't use their default normals. I smooth the normals, and then it doesn't even look like Cinti anymore. I've been staring at this pixel canal scene for like 10 minutes. I'm finally understanding how it's put together. It's pretty neat. Yeah, it's so cool. Everything's like cards with pixel textures on the cards, and it's very geometric. There's no organic. There's organic shapes, but they're very well designed, and the sizes of the pixels are all near perfect. Which that's the hard part that it's hard to think about. Like, you have to know the scale of your object, and then you have to paint the pixels at that scale always. And if you want to scale something up, you have to change your texture because the pixels change, you know? So that's why I did not go with that art style. It was too hard. Did you figure out how the water reflections work? Yeah, they just duplicated the world and put it underneath, right? I closed it. Where'd it go? I'm pretty sure that's what it was. Looks like they've got some new ones. Yeah, this artist is cool. Kanagawa Prefecture. They're here. They're a neighbor. So yeah, if you look at this one, they did a really good job. Every pixel is the same size relative to other pixels. You know, you don't see. Adam C. Eunice brought this up in his critique of a game. He called it mixels. It's when things are made out of pixels, but then they're scaled different to things next to it. So you'll have different pixel densities. And, you know, to do this right, the reason why this looks so gorgeous is because there is no mixels going on. And yeah, I love it. The whole world is duplicated and flipped upside down to get reflections. Incredible. It's just transparency. What a cool trick. Yeah. Yeah, it's cool. I did that for one of my first games. Right? Did I do that? Or maybe I did it in a commercial I was working on. I did it in something. Basically, I needed to do fake reflections because I couldn't do real reflections, and I just duplicated it, flipped it, done. You're doing something similar. You're working on getting all the pixels the same size. Kind of a pain sometimes. Hells yeah. Except it's going to be kind of a pain all the time. Because then even when you're modeling, like, if you want to make something that's off by a pixel, it's like, you got to think about that. It is gorgeous. I love this. Like with the lighting, with the real lighting. So good. I was having that issue with my combat backgrounds and the game sprites. Pixel size is not matching. Yeah, it's a hard thing to get right. I'm not there yet. You should just study that thing. If you want the link here. This is that person's Sketchfab page. Check it out. All right. Back to work. Re-enable the leaf see-through material. Here's a performance test preview of mine. Yeah, let's check it out. Oh, wait. Zelda, chill. Oh, look at that. Yeah, you got it going. You're doing exactly the thing we're talking about. Wow. Ooh, I like how you took the lighting off the character, so it doesn't quite look like a Cinti character. Good job. Yeah, look at this. This is crazy. Nice. I mean, I know those eyebrows. I know those eyebrows anywhere. The scene gives me hiking vibes, which is an obtuse reference to the next game I want to make. This one? Or the canal. The Pixel Canal. Look at that. This is cool. Good stuff, Atrum. Good stuff. Leaves shader. Is this the one? Quibbly leaves shader. Yeah. Okay, perfect. So I want to re-enable the transparency. I think I just plug this into alpha. Yeah. Save. Close. Uh-oh. Okay. Hit play. Slade the stream's too comfy. Have a good night, EXO. Thanks for hanging out. Ooh. Redacted. Wait, why are these buttons up here? The heck? What if I jiggle it? What if I jiggle it? There we go. You just gotta jiggle it. You just gotta jiggle it. Quit. No, don't quit. I want to make a new game. I think I could just... Wait, no. Delete that. One. All right, if I can hit all these notes that I gave myself, I'd be in a really good place. Really good place. So did I re-enable the leaf? Yeah, perfect. Okay, now I can see through the leaves. This should help. This should help a lot. Okay. Let's see if I can bust through these things. Building a roof outside of the inn is busted. Why? I swear I fixed that. I swear. So, gabled roof. Build gabled roof. Give item. If I do it here, it works, right? It's fine. If I do it here, still kind of works. But oop. I got an error. Why did I get the error? Wait, if I do it here, no error. If I do it here, it's broken. Oh man, that's broken. Oh, what? What is happening? It's so broken. Okay. I gotta fix this. I got 2 sets of 4 ads back to back, but I'm here now. 8 consecutive ads altogether. Oh my god. It's almost 5 a.m. now. I still haven't gotten some sleep. Yo, go to bed. You need your beauty sleep if you're gonna learn game dev tomorrow. I go over here, it's fine. I go over here. It's not fine. Not fine. Why is it not fine? What about the other modes? Let's see what's going on here. I think Unity crashed. I haven't cleaned my glasses in forever. Also, I rely on you guys to keep me hydrated. Oh yeah, Unity crashed. When I started making this game, I thought it would take me 2 years to finish. We're in year 4, and I'm only just releasing my demo now. Everything takes twice as long as you think it's going to take. 3 times longer. Red Kevin! The glasses are causing a dent in your head. Yo, you mean this like... Yeah. No, it does. You're right. This skin fold. It's more that it's like irritated and red, so it looks like a dent. But there's definitely like a fold of skin that curls around my glasses. How you doing, Red Kevin? All right, so why are we busted? Player systems, build mode controllers, build roof controller. What are the differences? There. Move delay. Okay. Show floor grid. That's the only difference. No good. There's no bueno. Also working on this damn demo. It never ends. How did you do credits? I have a text document that I load. And then I have a scroll view. It waits 3 seconds because I have a 3-second ego. Starts scrolling. I can hit F to fast forward. Special thanks to the amazing game dev Twitch community. Here's everyone that's done the redeems. Add me to the credits redeems. Here's some assets that require credits. And then when the scroll view reaches the top, like when the content reaches the top, it just snaps back to the bottom, starts over again. Oh yeah, and then I do this camera transition. Oh, look at that, the leaf shader. I don't want the leaf shader to actually be there. Ugh, how annoying. Ah, how annoying. Whatever. I can't bother with that right now. The camera transition, yeah, I mean with Cinemachine doing that stuff so easy. Oh my god, it's so easy. If you're not using Cinemachine, you gotta use Cinemachine. I mean, you know what you're doing, so I don't need to tell you. But I feel like some people they see Cinemachine and it's like a really big package. It's not that hard. Just learn it. It's so good. Saving up my channel points. That's how you do it. But what you should do is go to bed because I know it's late for you. Need that beauty sleep. All right. If you want my credits script that just does the scrolling and the snapback, I'll give it to you. Credits scroll helper. It's very, very simple. I had it for a year, but removed it. I like doing it myself. I guess I had to fight Cinemachine sometimes. Yeah, I guess. There are some moments where it's like, I wanted to do something so super specific. But then in those times, I just have a free cam and I code it to do whatever I want, to do what I want. It's just, you can't, I don't know. The transitioning between different cameras, it's life-changing for me. Being able to unhide a camera and have a dynamic transition, go there and be locked there until I hide it again and go back. That alone is crazy. Or like defining a group of game objects and making sure that the focus is always around the bounding box of the group of characters or something. These are not things I want to make myself. Where are the credits? But yeah, if you need this magic formula of anchored position, snapping and resetting, let me know. Probably won't do a scroll. We'll see. I guess if you can fit everything on one screen, then that's best. The multiple target thing is crazy. I wouldn't want to do that myself either now. You think you found a bug? Oh, so the build that you're playing is really old. Honestly, my suggestion, Patrick, is to not even play. Don't even play that build. Just wait for the demo. I was gonna upload my current build tonight, so you can play that one. If your game wants the minimum specs, I don't even know. I make the game on a Mac M1 Pro. Maybe it'll run on your machine, maybe it won't. I don't know. How are you supposed to know? How are you supposed to, like, as an indie dev, what am I supposed to have 10 computers and know? How the hell am I supposed to know? It's garbage. There should be a button on Steam that's like, I don't know. I got one computer I made this thing on. I've seen it run on pretty bad computers though. And I have some settings that help. Like you can drop it to 30 FPS and you can set the texture resolutions to lower and shadow distance to shorter. This stuff. All right. What was I doing? What was I doing? Okay, building a roof outside of the inn is busted. Let me do some more testing. This is a weird one. All right, so build foundation. Give. And then build gabled roof. Give. Okay. So if I build foundation out here, what happens? Boom. It snaps to it. It actually won't even show up here. It just snaps here. That's good. But the roof spawns. Oh, it's because it spawns. It spawns and locks. And then if I exit, oh, it does delete itself. But if I click, it tries to start building from that location. Okay, so all I have to do All I have to do is check the position when you click and see if it's a valid position. Siri bot, you detected spam? That's so nice of you. The person whose message was deleted, if you're not a bot, then I'm sorry. But if you are a bot, you got what you deserved. Just get a playtester who has a potato PC, and if it runs, set those as the minimum specs. Yeah, it's true. I don't know the stats of anyone's computers. Honestly, I've given out 70, 80 keys. I should ask who, like, what everyone's specs are and just put the lowest. Just put the lowest one. But this game should run. This game should run on things. I'm not doing anything complicated. Like, some of the stuff is high polygon, but it's not that bad. It's not that bad. All right, so what do I got to do to fix this? Look at that. So it lets me click here. And then it left it there without using any. So if I click there. Wait. Okay, if I click here, right? It starts build mode. And then I click out here. Ooh, it won't let me. All right, so I got to make sure that you just can't click outside of the build zone. I don't know why that's even possible now. Like, that's weird. How did I never run into this bug? Also, I gave Red Cabin a shout out earlier. I hope you all followed Red Cabin. He's another awesome Unity dev making Space Scavengers. Space Scavenger 2. Neat games. How's it going? Put an FPS display in the corner of the UI and ask people for their computer specs and game frame rate in the survey form. And then you'll have a good idea. Yeah, I should do that. I should. I do lock the game though. I don't let the game be unhinged with frame rate. I lock it to 60 and then you can set it to 30 if you'd like. So I'm not sure how helpful that's going to be right now. It's RAM that I think might hold some people back while trying to run it. Yes, probably. It's not a CPU heavy game. It's definitely high in memory and high in, I guess, rendering. What the heck? What is this? This? Looks like I started doing something. I don't know why I have these prints here. I guess they'll help actually. So start corner set false. Start corner equals true. Start corner equals false. So place foundation. Where does that get called? Everywhere. It gets called when you click. Oh. Yeah, no shit. So it just lets me click wherever. And how do I get the position? Start corner equals the building transforms position. What's setting it to that weird location? Building transform. Dot position equals current position. Oh, is that it? Maybe I broke it when I did that. This current position thing. So where's current position equals? I check if the current position of the mouse is in a legal location. And if it's not, Wait, is legal location? I don't, oh, wow. If it's not in a legal location, I don't set it back. I just don't set move complete. And move complete, all that did was calculate floor blockers, which set the can place. And if can place is not set, I don't check for can place anymore. That's the problem. That's the problem. If current item is a building item. Oh, here, no, I do check. If you can't place, we return. Can place equals true. So what I think I need to do is here, if you're not a legal location, can place, oops, can place equals false. Maybe that'll do it. Getting tired and getting hungry. I'm gonna go to bed now. Good night, y'all. Rotato, have a good night. Thanks for hanging. Give. All right, so now I'm gonna come out here. The fact that this spawns here is, it's not the end of the world. If I click, it doesn't do anything. If I click here, it doesn't do anything. If I click here, it works. Oh, look at that. All right. That's a start. If I leave the zone, this is where it actually crashed. Well, it didn't crash. It just threw a bad error. Game-breaking bug. If I leave and I try and... Yeah, there we go. it makes the player go away and throws this error. Initialize visualizers. So the build zone is null. Yeah. Yeah. I'm aware. Usually I have a check. If the build zone is null, we cancel. Don't I do that? Did I never do that for the roof controller? Build zone controller. Build roof controller. Enter build mode. Oh, I never did that. Oh, that's so stupid. Okay, that's an easy fix. It's just a line of code that I added literally everywhere else except for here. So the build controller. I will copy it and paste it. Wait, where is it here? It's not here either? No. Enter build mode. Wait, why doesn't this one have it either? Enter build. Oh, here it is. Enter controller mode. Where's enter controller mode? Okay, phew. We're good. So this needs to be here. If build zone equals null, get the F out of here. If build zone equals null, get the F out of here. What's this cleanup script? Cleanup. Build zone deactivate. If I don't like these question marks anymore. Build zone is not equal null. I thought these things are clever, but they don't work half the time. And I don't remember the reason why they do or don't. Okay. That should do it. That was easy. That was easy. Close silently? Oh, wait. No, this is end controller mode. Whoops. Enter build mode. Wait, this is the build zone controller. Where am I? Oh, I gotta undo it. I'm in the wrong script. Okay, it's in here. Enter controller mode. Boom. That's where it's supposed to be. Great. Problem solved. Bug fixed. I think I need a stretching break. When's the next ad break? 13 minutes? Someone remind me in 13 minutes to get up and stretch. Hey Siri. Hey Google. Hey Alexa. Remind me in 13 minutes to get up and stretch. Hopefully I set one of your Siri, Google, or Alexas. You triggered my phone, Alexa. Yes. That's my timer. Don't touch it. I'm sorry. That's rude. That's rude of me to do. I'll never do it again. You get to do that once in your streaming career, and I just did it. All right, so I'm safe from fucking up out here, right? Yeah, I'm safe. And now if I do it here, boom. It flickers. Everything flickers, but it works. It's fine. Bug fixed. Garbage in the cave doesn't have a name. We gotta give that garbage a name. Cave scene. You can probably stop my Alexa alarm too when yours goes off. I don't have one. I got nothing. And I turned Siri off on my phone. I used to have a Google, but when I moved, I got rid of it and I never got a new one. It's not really a thing here. I don't see anyone with them in where I'm at. And I don't see them advertised. Are they here? Yeah, they are here. Oh, and then Line has its own. Oh, and Apple has... Okay, they're all here. They're just not common. Oh. All right, so why doesn't the garbage have a name? Because it's... display name. Oh, its display name is checked, but it just doesn't have one. Why? Garbage. Okay. Wait. Select. Collectible item. Is this a generic item? Wait, is this the base prefab? Uh-oh. Wait, discard changes, discard changes. What is this thing? If I select it... Oh, it's collect item garbage. Yeah, it is this. Go into here. Okay. Garbage. And when you collect it, you pick up garbage. Perfect. So now it says garbage. Great. Great. Check. Hold to pick up radio in cave. Sure. So this radio has a an on pickup trigger. But what I want to do now is I want to change it to on player interaction charge. And I don't want you to be able to collect. Collect it on interact. No. But what I want to do is collect it arbitrarily here. So add an item picker. Set the inventory item to radio. Allow pick. No. Allow pick on player enter. No. Or yeah, allow pick, but not on player enter. And then on successful pick. Do I need to put something here? No. I just need to now item picker pick. What's this bool do? I forget. I always forget. It is pulled. Nope, it's not pulled. Okay. So now when you go to pick up this radio, it's consistent with the garbage. Let's make sure. Let's unload it. Oh, that's annoying. I need to remember to close this gap here. This fence doesn't have a collider on it, and it's just so convenient for testing, but I always forget. I'm going to forget. So here's the secret way to get into the cave without completing the quest. You run it in editor, go to the cave door, and hide it. I actually don't know where it is. Bam. Access granted. So now the garbage should have a name. Yep, garbage. Hold space to take. And then this. Oh, I didn't. It works. You can add a radio. Why didn't it hide, though? I guess I gotta manually hide it. The item picker might not do that. So the item picker is disable object when depleted. Okay, I do want that on. So that'll fix that. And then I want it to have show player interaction charge help. Yep, and then take. And what was this one? The garbage is take. Okay, perfect. So it's consistent. That's good. Bug fixed? Bug fixed. Glowstones give iron instead of glowstone. That should be an easy one. Glowstone. Degradable rock glowstone. Oh, no. It's actually not an easy fix because I don't have glowstone. It just gives ore. I don't have a special item it can give. Okay. Excuse me. Put something in. Oh, right. Favorite hotspot remark. Where even is that? Dialogue. Favorites? Favorite hotspot. Favorite hotspot remark. This is my favorite place to be. Done. When you talk to someone and they're at their favorite hotspot, that's what they say. Favorite activity, they say, this is my absolute favorite activity. Favorite food. Favorite food remark. This is my favorite food. For sure. When would they say this? When would they say favorite food? I actually don't know. It might be I might have it here, but I don't use it. Favorites. Fave food. I guess I can do a search all. Fave food. Ooh, look at that. Guest interactable. If they're in the activity state and NPC.is favorite consumable. Current activity item. Oh, if they're like sitting at a table and they're eating this food, then that could be their favorite food. Okay. That makes total sense. Cool. Done. Cooking tab buttons don't work. Yeah, that was a funky one. Why don't they work? Unload scene. Let's put a hot plate or a stove. Throw a stove in the game. And see what's going on. I click this, and K and L work. If I hit K and L, it switches through the tabs. But if I click the buttons, it doesn't do shit. Don't do shit. Okay. I think I know why. UI. Cooking canvas. Cooking selector. Cooking tabs. Move left button. Does nothing. These do nothing. Okay. This should be easy. Canvas group selector. Okay. So the move left button. They all need to have the same thing. Same thing with these brewing tabs. So the move left button should canvas group selector select bool. False. Two nerdy nerds. 13 days, yeah. Thank you so much. How are you doing, two nerdy nerds? Everybody make sure to give two nerdy nerds a follow. Super fun stream. I like the duo streams. You and your partner, you have a lot of fun. You can tell. I think if I, yeah, oh, it's remembering. Doing great. About to go do some game dev myself. Nice. You gonna hop on stream, or are you just gonna dev? Select int maybe. Select. Oh right. Select game object. Wow, it remembers the selection. Is this right? It is right. That's crazy. It remembers. That's bizarre. What if I just set these? These can't possibly remember because they're new. No way. Cooking canvas group. No way. How does it know? Did I crash or something? This is busted. This is supposed to be select bool. How did you get your user alias? Is it grandma like granny or grand MMA like fighting? It's grandma. I got it from well, oh, you're in ads. Which reminds me. I gotta get up and stretch. Pumpkin! Are you guys actually getting ads? I like think it's both. Granny that is great at MMA, yeah. Yeah, I'll come back when the ads are over. I need to stretch. I need to stretch. Ugh. I don't get ads anywhere. I broke Twitch ads. Nice. Good for you. I don't get a lot of ads. I noticed that some streamers they have like 3 minutes of ads, or they used to have 3 minutes of ads, and then when I moved, I get 30 seconds of ads max. Something about the laws here are different. I don't get as many ads. Pumpkin, how are you doing? Shout out to Pumpkin. Also, I should check the brewing station. Wait, why does it still have that thing? I'm pretty sure I don't need that anymore. This progress bar and this question mark, unnecessary. You're back. Sorry, what was the answer? So it's from a Crash Team Racing commercial. From, I don't know if you remember if you know the video game Crash Team Racing. And the commercial goes a bit like this. And that's how I got my name. Okay, cool. And this one? Cool. Okay, great. We're just plowing through these bugs. But yeah, Momo, got the demo coming. It's coming quick. I'm gonna do the Wholesome Games. I'm in the Wholesome Games Steam thing. And I promised that the demo would be out exclusively on the day. So now I gotta follow through on that promise. It's catchy. It came that commercial is from like what, 2002? No. 2001? I'm good but tired. Had to skip streaming for because of life. Oh no. I hope you were able to get some rest. Nerdy nerds, you're in the celebration too. Yes. Let's go. That's awesome. Congrats. I'll choose to still imagine a Granny doing MMA. That's fine. That's totally fine. Also, Captain Cram, I saw you followed before. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. 5 minutes ago, I did. When you were in ads, I stretched. Did your Alexa go off? That's amazing. I just got a text that my wife's done with work and she is just drinking in the office with her coworkers, and that sounds like fun. I want to do that. Slow down the NPCs. You got it. Checklist. Guest generic. You are too fast, too furious. Where is your speed controlled? I think it's this 2.6. Let's say 2.4. I don't know what this is gonna do. I don't know what this is gonna do, but I know there's a threshold of like the walk animation and the run animation. 2.6 might have been a vital number. Larix, how's it going? Welcome in. Unreal or Unity? This is Unity. This is Unity. But yeah, this brewing station doesn't need this progress bar anymore. Maybe it does. I'll just leave it. It hides automatically if it doesn't get used. I don't need to start breaking stuff. Hot plate failed to snap to the kitchen counter. Ooh, that was a big one. Ah, crap. That's a big freaking bug. Let's see what's going on there. So I need a kitchen counter. Snap you to the grid. And I need a hot plate. Hot plate. I pick up the hot plate. And when I place it on the kitchen counter, it snaps here. See? It does snap it. But then when I hit place... No, it worked. No. I hate it when bugs don't get recreated. That's the worst. Damn it. Now what do I do? Now what do I do? Let's see. All right, I gotta try some stuff, I guess. I remember placing it. Placed it. Oh, come on. Nerds. Maybe if I move the mouse a lot? Damn it. Elusive bug stealth plus 10. Yeah, seriously. The hell. I mean, I'm glad it's working. There we go. Okay, why didn't it work that time? Let's see if I can replicate it. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing different. Wait. Where is it? Sninko! Sninko Games. Sninko Games. Sninko, how's it going? Welcome in, Raiders. If you don't know who I am, my name is Andrew. I'm working on a game called Alpine Lake. The demo releases in 13 days. I am struggling to fix some bugs right now. Larix, thank you for the follow. Yo, IC3. His PC crashed. All right, well, welcome in, Raiders. Please give Sninko a follow. If anything, because his PC crashed, and that's just embarrassing. That's just straight up embarrassing. Needs the love. Also, sizzling. There we go. He needs a new PC. He's working on a cool game where everything is in like sonar. Everything's like a sound wave, and you see sound waves, and that's how you navigate the world. It's very cool. He's back. He's back. How very embarrassing. Yeah, that is embarrassing, Stinko. If you're going to raid, you better make sure your computer doesn't just straight up crash on you. But yeah, thank you for that raid. How was your stream today? How'd you get on? I just hit a weird bug. Wait, now the hot plate is gone, like straight up gone. I picked up the. Ooh, this just got more interesting. Was a good stream. Much Elden Ring. Oh, you played Elden Rings. It was immediately as I was doing the sign off. That's funny that it's still rated. I guess why not? It's like a Twitch side thing. Uh, how it to be back? It be good. Or how's it to be back? It feels good to be back. Back in the swing of things. I had a good time though. You know, I had a good time taking my little break. My brother came to visit. We had a lot of fun. I got to be a tourist in my own city, even though I still am a tourist in my own city because I haven't been living here for very long, but you know, it's still cool. What happened? My brother came to town. Work got really hard. My dog is not doing too great. It's just a culmination of things, and made me have to take a couple of weeks off. Sounds like an absolute yeah. It was a lot of fun. We did some. I said it yesterday on stream. The coolest thing was we rented a Honda NSX. I don't know if anyone's a car person. We rented a Honda NSX and we drove it through the mountains of Hakone, which is it's like a hot spring area around Mount Fuji. It was so freaking cool. An NSX, yeah, it was awesome. All right, so I put down the kitchen counter, right? I put it down. Then I put the hot plate on the kitchen counter and it's there. If I go to pick up the kitchen counter, what happens? It picks up the kitchen counter and it deletes the hot plate. That's not supposed to happen. I know why. Stock or not stock? It was stock. It was a 1991. It was like the classic NSX. Uh it was nice though. It was fast and it handled like a dream around the mountain roads. It's very, very cool. We were in a convoy of 8 cars, and so you can't really go crazy, but they, you know, they did some, as they called it, sport driving. Not because of better, just because curiosity. Yeah, it was the stock, you know, naturally aspirated 1991 Honda NSX. Someone else on the tour had the new one, which is like a hybrid, which is crazy. All right, so this is a problem. So something's wrong with the linked decoration system. That at least it sets me down a path. I know where to look. Because if you're allowed to pick up the thing underneath, then yeah, that's bad. So I put that down. And then where is the kitchen counter clone? Here it is. And War Spud, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Kitchen counter clone. Decor linker. This is how I link decorations to each other. So if I put a hot plate down, right? I put a hot plate down. Look at that. It linked it. It linked it. It unlinked it. It linked it. It unlinked it. It linked it. I click. It's linked. That's good. I'm gonna head off. Have a great time. I see. Thank you so much for hanging. Much fun with your PC. Yes, Nico. Wait, I feel like you don't tourist your own city no longer. How long have you been there? I've been here about 6 months now, or 5 months. Yeah, you kind of stop touring your own city after a bit. I'm gonna head off too. Got to walk the dog before she gets grumpy and it gets dark. Good luck with the crunch grind. Stinko, thanks again for the raid. I hope everyone followed Stinko. Really fun streamer. And yeah, enjoy your walk. Take care of that doggy. So this is linked. This is linked. Do I not check for linked things? What's going on here? Man, it's possible that it's possible that it was always a coincidence that stuff underneath linked objects just weren't selectable. But now I have a system where you can swap whatever's you're selected with something else close to you. But so now you can like specifically target the thing underneath. But now, so now I need to come up with a system that's like, if there's something linked, you cannot pick it up. So decoration. Let's see. Decoration, interactable. Can collect on interact. I check for secondary inventories and I check if they're empty. Now I have to check for linked objects. I have to, okay. For each decor linker in get children or get components in children and then decor linkers. And then I have to see if there's anything linked. If linker dot linked object does not equal null, return false. It could be as simple as that. Please let it be as simple as that. Please, I beg of you. Unity, do me the flavor. This still doesn't fix the original bug. This is a second bug we've discovered. The original bug is much nastier. When things are recreatable, it's pretty easy. All right, get the hot plate. I think it's linked, actually. Wait. Wait, I can't even pick it up. I can't even pick it up. All right, whatever. I'll pick up the kitchen counter. Oh, I can't pick it up because it's linked. So it did work. Oh, wait. Yeah, so if the hot plate is linked to hot plate. Decor linker. Oh yeah, so they're both stuck. I basically need to figure out which is the linker and which is the linky. Is there a difference? Decor linker. Decor linker. So these are the two. One's the link slot and one's the link object. Okay, that makes things a little easier. So if it's the link object, I just don't even check. If linker dot link type equals link object. Continue. Okay. With this, I do need to wrap up though. I think I'm gonna find a raid target. I think I gotta go. But everybody, thank you so much for hanging out. Today was a good one. Got a lot done. I didn't get to finish my list. What didn't I finish? The herbs are always shiny. That's minor, not game breaking. Put windows in the game. That's easy. It'll take me 2 seconds. Some reviews are too long. I could just ham fist it by changing the font size to be smaller. Leveling up twice doesn't put a space. Super easy. Fishing level up reward is temp. Super easy. Reduce demo to 7 is super easy. Okay, this is the only hard one. This is a tough one. So happy to learn we'll be in the wholesome games together. Yeah, that's cool. Makes it less scary somehow. Are you like doing something special? Are you going to release your demo on the day or something? Or is it just a trailer? There's another team member I've never met before. Maybe I'll go say hi, but what are they doing? Playing Rocket League. I love Rocket League. I love Rocket League. It's like my guilty pleasure game. Do I have to go there now? I don't know. I try to keep it in software dev. We're just doing a demo update. Ah, I see. That's cool though. That's still cool. How long has this person been going? Wait, they're not at their computer. Yes, they are. All right. We're going to go to Wardstone. We're going to say hi to Wardstone. Just make sure that he's not going anywhere. Dismiss. All right. Everybody, thank you so much for hanging. See some credits. Roll them credits. Glad I was able to catch a stream. Pumpkin, thank you for hanging. Also, last second shout out to Pumpkin. Did I even give you a shout out? I did. I already gave you a shout out. Make sure to give Pumpkin a follow. Warspud, Larynx, Captain, Brotato, Bamboo, and Alchemist. Thank you for those follows. Finn, the resub. Appreciate the subs always. Grumble and Sninko, thank you so much for those raids. And pretty sure something else happened. Oh, Finn with the cheering. Wait, the cheer shows up. That's nice. Finn, thank you so much for the cheer. Everybody have a good rest of your day or evening or wherever you're at in the world. I'll be back Monday, maybe. Oh, wait, tomorrow morning? I don't know. I'm doing something tomorrow, so I might not do a tomorrow morning stream. Maybe a Sunday morning. I'll do one of these mornings. All right, later.